Hello everyone, my name is Suresh Sudhila. I am the Head of Education at Advancells. We are excited to introduce this two-part webinar series on the role of orthobiologics within musculoskeletal and sports medicine. This webinar will focus on the introduction to the science, cell processing, clinical applications, and evidence of orthobiologics. It will also explore important aspects of informed consent, guidelines, and the regulatory requirements to these novel treatment options. Part 2 will focus on the role of ultrasound in delivering orthobiologics for musculoskeletal and sports conditions. It will also focus on introduction to ultrasound guided injections and injection techniques of both upper and lower limb joints and soft tissues. If you are a researcher interested in regenerative medicine and cell expansion, or if you are a clinician who assess and treat musculoskeletal and sports related conditions, this webinar will introduce you to minimally invasive and safe treatment options for those patients who suffer from chronic tendinopathies or degenerative conditions that are not responding to traditional conservative treatment options. There will be plenty of discussions throughout the presentations, and you will have an opportunity to bring complex case studies to discuss and get an opinion from expert panel speakers.